How to set a live wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the Wallpaper option and tap on it. Here you can see, iPhone also provides you this feature, where you can change the wallpaper from the lock screen. From your lock screen, you just need to touch and hold, edit or switch between different wallpapers and widgets. Now, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Once you are here, select the Live Photo option. Now, add a recent live photo from your gallery. Then, tap on Add at the top right corner. After that, select the Customize Home Screen option. Make changes if you want and tap on Done at the top right corner. There you go, you have set a new live wallpaper on your phone. By following these simple steps, you can easily set a live wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.